Let's compare the Devialet Gemini versus the Bowers & Wilkins PI7 earbuds. At the time of making this video, here in Australia you can buy the Devialet Gemini at $400, whereas the Bowers & Wilkins PI7 will set you back a cool $600, which makes the Devialet Gemini the winner of this round. And in terms of portability, the Gemini's case is heavier and bigger in every dimension than the PI7's case. This makes the PI7 much more pocket-friendly, which is why the PI7 wins this round. Both earbuds have similar build quality and design aesthetics, as none of these earbuds have opted for a stem that hangs out your ears like the AirPods Pro or the AirPods. However, I personally feel that the PI7 looks more premium because of the gold metal accents compared to the all-plastic build of the Devialet Gemini. But the PI7 earbuds are IPX7 water resistant rated, which is massive when compared to the Gemini's IPX4 rating. And then over at the cases, as you can see, both are very different. Devialet has opted for a sliding lid instead of a more conventional magnetic latch with a hinge at the back. This actually is great, as you can open the lid with one hand rather than using both of your hands. But Bowers & Wilkins has added the most interesting thing that you will ever see on an earbud case, and that is you can turn this case into a wireless transmitter. All you have to do is connect the 3.5mm to USB-C cable that the PI7 comes with between your device and the PI7's case. Now you can stream audio wirelessly from any device, even if it does not support Bluetooth. So everything considered, this round goes to the Bowers & Wilkins PI7. On my tests, both the earbuds fit exactly the same way, as they both sit on the ridge of the bone over your earlobe. But because of the sharp edges of the PI7 earbud, they may hurt your ears if you wear them for a long period of time, and this experience will only get worse if you have smaller ears. But the Devialet Gemini has a soft-to-touch texture on the earbuds plus a more rounded body with no edges, so they are more comfortable to wear and hence the winner of this round. The Devialet Gemini earbuds have 6 hours of battery life with ANC on, and with the case you can squeeze out a further 24 hours of total battery life. But the PI7 earbuds only has 3 hours of battery life on the earbuds with a total of 12 hours with the case. Though they support wireless charging like the Gemini earbuds, the total charge is really disappointing from an earbud that is this expensive, and that is why the Devialet Gemini wins this round. Both the earbuds have touch controls, and the touch-sensitive surface on both the earbuds are also very small. So if you have fat fingers, then you will face some problems with registering a command. However, the Devialet Gemini earbuds are too sensitive, and most of the times it does something it was not meant to do. On the other hand, the PI7's responsiveness is much more natural and it's very easy to get used to it, which makes them the winner of this round. And when it comes to connectivity, both the earbuds connect via the Bluetooth 5.0 technology and supports AAC, SBC and aptX adaptive codec. So therefore, this round is a draw. The PI7 has adaptive noise cancelling, which is not my favorite, as the earbuds decide for you what the best possible noise cancelling setting is depending on your environment. While this is very convenient, I feel like that the technology is not perfected yet on the PI7, which might lead to some unsatisfactory performances at times. For me, when I was indoors, it felt like only the passive noise cancellation was working. I could not tell much difference between ANC on versus ANC off. And it was even more frustrating for me because I was not able to change the noise cancelling level on the app because the function is not just there. On the other hand, the Devialet Gemini has active noise cancellation, which means you will get a sustained level of noise blocking without any deviation. Plus, they let you control the noise cancellation level on the app, which works better than the PI7, as they are able to block out most regular sounds like noises during your morning rush hour traffic or office chatter. Also, both the earbuds have transparency mode, which works very similarly, but none of them are better or even close to the AirPods Pro. So the only differentiating factor here is how well the adaptive versus the active noise cancellation is working on each of these earbuds. And for that reason, the Devialet Gemini wins this round. And in terms of sound, both the earbuds do not have a flat profile but has somewhat of a bass-heavy EQ setting. Let's first begin with the PI7. On the bass end, they are very accurate and has a very good kick to it. So if you listen to a lot of EDM or rap, then these would be awesome. but if you listen to classical or metal genres often and like that distinct separation of layers in audio, then you may find the sound signature a bit cluttered and muddy for your taste. And that is because the bass has a tendency to overshadow the mid-range frequency. And that is such a shame because they are actually really accurate. And on the treble end, the higher notes sound pretty loud and tight, but the lower end ones kind of just fades away. But the real disappointment for me is the fact that the PI7 earbuds do not come with a graphic equalizer to customize on the app. Because if they did, all these niggling issues could have been solved by some minor tweaks, and then these would have been one of the best sounding earbuds. The Devialet Gemini on the other hand is pretty good with their EQ settings by default, as the bass will not overpower other frequencies. This is partially because the drivers inside are not as powerful as the PI7, and also because that they come with a customizable 6-band graphic equalizer. Their mids are not as accurate as the PI7, but overall it sounds a little bit better because of Devialet's tuning. But the major drawback of the Devialet Gemini is that if you turn off the ANC mode or turn on the transparency mode, then these earbuds sound like a very cheap pair of earbuds. Since there is no change of sound quality on the PI7 depending on the ANC mode, they are the winner of this round. Testing the microphone of the Bowers & Wilkins PI7 earbuds. Mic check, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing the microphone of the Devialet Gemini headphones. Mic check, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So as you just heard, I think that the PI7s are okay at separating ambient noise from the voice, but the voice does come out sounding a little bit thin and lacking some depth. Whereas the Gemini earbuds are also nothing special in taking calls outdoors, but it does let in way too much surrounding sound for my liking. So for this reason, the PI7 wins this round. So after 11 rounds, as you can see that PI7 slightly edges out the Devialet Gemini earbuds. Now if you don't mind listening your music always with ANC on, then I think that the Devialet Gemini is a good buy. You will get a better battery life and you will also save some money in the process. But if you don't want to compromise on sound in different ANC or transparency mode and want the best of the best when it comes to bass, then the PI7 is definitely worth it. The battery life is a bit shocking, but you will get IPX7 water resistance rating and a unique feature to turn the case into a wireless transmitter. But that's it from me today. Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.